Hello. Apps running in the background can consume a surprising amount of your mobile data without you realizing it. TikTok is popular, but can quickly drain your data if left unchecked. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable TikTok's background data on your Android phone, helping you save data and improve battery life. Locate the TikTok app on your Android phone's home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the TikTok icon until a menu appears. Tap on App Info from the pop-up menu. After that, scroll down and find the Data Usage option and tap on it. Now, look for the Background Data option and toggle it off to disable TikTok from using data in the background. Finally, exit the settings and enjoy better control over your mobile data usage. That's all for today's quick guide on disabling TikTok background data. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.